Hello friends, today we are repairing a microwave oven. You can see the name of the microwave on your screen. The problem is that it does not work and does not turn on. I connected the microwave to the network and I'm trying to start it. As you can see, it does not work. Let's disassemble it and see what happened there. I found a blown fuse. The question is why it burned out. Maybe there was just a power surge and it worked, or maybe something is preventing the normal operation of this device. First, you need to install a new fuse and check whether the microwave will work or the fuse will burn out again. I put a mug of cold water and check if the water in it gets hot. As you can see, steam appeared and the water became warm, which means it works. It looks like the repair is finished. Maybe there was a power surge and because of that the fuse tripped. This happens quite rarely. I will give a guarantee to a person for checking, but everything seems to be fine. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to put your thumb up. See you in the next videos.